SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is the SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Akash Javrani. Today I am going to teach you the course Introduction to Financial Accounts. This course is in the Bachelor of Management Studies. This course is in the first year BMS. The topic that I am going to cover today, it is the capital expenditure and the revenue expenditure. So, what is the meaning of expenditure? And there are two types of expenditure mainly in accounts, that is the capital expenditure and the revenue expenditure. First of all, we will see the introduction of this topic. It is written there that a business organization incurs expenditures for various purposes during its existence. Some of these expenditures are meant to bring in more profit for the organization in the long term, while some expenditures are for the short term. A business firm do the expenditure of some small things like printing and stationery, wages, okay, and and business expenses purchase of machinery, purchase of any asset. It is a capital expenditure. So mainly there are two types of expenditure here. It is the capital expenditure. The meaning of capital expenditure, it is the meaning that if we are purchasing any fixed asset for the business and it is a one-time investment, that investment is for long years. For example, long years I am telling 5 to 8 years or to 10 years. That is one-time investment for 10 years. It is called the capital expenditure. So capital expenditure, again I am repeating, it is that type of expenditure that we can say that it is one-time investment. Whenever we are purchasing any fixed asset for the business, it is called the capital expenditure, and it increases the value of the business. If we are purchasing a machinery, so it increases the value of the business. We are getting assets more if we are purchasing more capital assets. So revenue expenditure, the next one is the revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is that type of expenditure in which the assets are maintained. For example, we are repairing a machinery, we are repairing a machinery, so it is a revenue expenditure. Machinery is repaired for maintenance. Okay, so the expenditure for the maintenance of machinery is called a revenue expenditure. Or workers, we have given wages to the workers, we have paid salaries, so it is a type of revenue expenditure as it is recurring in nature. The expense which is recurring in nature is said to be revenue expenditure, and the expenses which are not recurring in nature, it is called the capital expenditure. In short, I have told what is capital expenditure, what is revenue expenditure. So it is written here in the introduction, it is written here that only that expenditures are done to bring more profits in the business, okay, and some expenditures are done for the short term and some expenditures are done for the long term. The main reason for increasing the expenditure is the efficiency of the business and driving higher return. The more we are investing in the business, the more we are doing expenditure, the more we get the higher returns. Based on the nature of the expenditure, they are categorized as a capital expenditure and the revenue expenditure. There are two types of expenditures, mainly capital expenditure and the revenue expenditure. In this video, we are discussing only the expenditure. Next session, I will going to explain what is the capital receipts and what is the revenue receipts. So here we are doing the expenditure. For example, it is in the picture you can see it is a seller and a buyer. There are two parties and they are purchasing as a capital asset, that is truck. Whenever you are purchasing any capital asset, any fixed asset, whenever you are purchasing, it is said to be capital expenditure. For example, you are purchasing a second-hand typewriter. It is also called to be a capital expenditure because you are purchasing a fixed asset. Okay, that asset will remain in the business for a long term. The asset which will remain in the business for a long term, it is called to be capital expenditure. So let's see with the introduction what is written here. It is written that expenditures that are incurred by an organization for long-term benefits are known as a capital expenditure. The benefit which is given to to us for a long term, it is called capital expenditure. For example, we are purchasing a machinery, we are purchasing a furniture, we are purchasing a laptop. That all these capital assets will give us long term benefit for a long number of years. So it is said to be capital expenditure, and we can also say that it is a one time investment, because if we have purchased a capital asset like laptop, machinery, furniture, we cannot purchase again and again infrequently, because if we have purchased a machinery or a furniture in the year 2015, we cannot we cannot do that expense again and again in the same 2016 year, in 2017 year. It is not recurring in nature. So remember that capital expenditure is not recurring in nature. That expense we will not do again and again. It is a one-time investment, we can say, for a few years, for example 5 to 10 years, okay, and that expenditure will increases the value of the business. For that expenditure, for capital expenditure, your revenue will increase, your business revenue will increase. That expenditure is known as a capital expenditure. Moving further, we will see the introduction, what it is written here. These expenditure serve the purpose of increasing the capacity or capabilities of the long-term asset, either by enhancing or adding new assets to the organization. These expenditures are added on the assets of the balance sheet. It is done mostly on the assets such as land and equipment. Example here it is written for the capital expenditure: land, equipment, furnishings, furniture, or vehicles that help to drive benefits for the organization by increasing the operating capability. Okay, it increases the capability of the business. So it is a capital expenditure. Moving further, we are saying revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure, it is recurring in nature. It is for the maintenance of the business. It is day-to-day expenses. Okay. For example, day-to-day expenses like employee wages, inventory, stock that we are purchasing. Daily we are purchasing the stock, and daily we are selling the stock to the customers. So it is a revenue expenditure. Rent, it is a revenue expenditure. Electricity, for example, we are paying the electricity bill, we are paying the rent. Insurance, we are paying the insurance premium. Stationery, printing and stationery expenses, postage and taxes. Okay, so these all are the revenue expenditure, because these are recurring in nature. We are paying again and again. Okay, we are paying monthly. These are all the monthly expenses that business firm pays to the individuals. These are expenditures that neither help in the creation of asset nor in reducing the liability of a business, because these expenditures are not creating the assets. Because of these expenditure, we are not earning any profits. So these expenditure are meant to be revenue expenditure. It is recurring in nature and very essential to maintain the daily operations of a business or an organization. So these expenses are very essential, because if we are not paying wages to the workers, they will not come in the business and they will not do any work. So it is the necessary expenses that we have to do in the business. So it is a revenue expenditure. In the examination point of view, in exam, it is written that identify which of the following transactions are the capital expenditure or a revenue expenditure. So only you have to identify which type of expenditure it is there, and you have to give some reason that why it is expenditure, why it is this expenditure. For example, I am telling that in exam it is written that purchased machinery of rupees 1 lakh. It is written that you have to identify which type of expenditure it is there. So you can write it is a capital expenditure. It is capital expenditure since it is incurred for purchasing a fixed asset. Okay, for purchasing a fixed asset, it is meant to be capital expenditure. Only you have to identify which type of expenditure it is there. Okay, next it is written revenue expenditures can be divided into two categories. There are two categories for revenue expenditure: expenditure for generating revenue for a business, and the expenditure for maintaining revenue generating assets. Generating revenue for we are doing some expenditure for generating revenue for a business when it is debt, and another it is maintaining revenue generating assets, because if we are maintaining the assets, it is a type of revenue expenditure. And some revenue expenditures are also there that for that we can generate revenue. For example, we are paying wages to the workers because workers are manufacturing goods. From that goods, for that goods we can sell in the market and we can generate a revenue. So revenue expenditure are of two types. Moving further, it is a distinguish between capital expenditure and the revenue expenditure. Theoretically, it is also important. Okay, so capital expenditure and revenue expenditure, meaning purchase of plant and machinery. If you are purchasing a new fixed asset, it is called a capital expenditure because it is a one-time investment, and it also increases the value of the business. And one more asset is also added in the business, so it is a capital expenditure. Okay, you can also generate a revenue from this, okay, because you are going to manufacture goods from that plant and machinery. So it is a capital expenditure, sorry, it is a one-time investment. And another one is the revenue expenditure, because it is a painting of an old machinery. If you are painting an old machinery, you are doing a maintenance of an asset. If maintenance of asset is there, it is called the revenue expenditure. Installation cost of plant and machinery. If you are doing an installation, if you have purchased a machinery and in the business premises you have installed the machinery, it is a one-time investment. For example, you have cleared your free premises, and in free premises you have plugged the electricity, okay, electricity switch. So it is a one-time expenditure is there, so it is called the capital expenditure, because we are not going to do installation cost again and again on the machinery. In the revenue expenditure, repairs to plant and machinery, because a machine have to be repaired again and again. Sometimes it may, in a 1 year, we have to do repairing in a 1 month, or in a 6 months also we have to do repairing. Whenever machine gets faulted, we have to do repairing of plant and machinery. So it is a revenue expenditure. If we are purchasing an additional purchase of an asset, it is a capital expenditure. Here it is written, all the examples it is written of capital and revenue expenditure. I am reading all the examples of capital expenditure first of all, then revenue expenditure. Okay. So cost of extension of building, it is a capital expenditure, because building is extended. Okay. A wing is there in the building. Builder is builder is constructing the B wing also, so it is a capital expenditure. Legal charges incurred for purchase of an asset. If you have purchased a new asset, and in that asset legal charges you have paid, so it is a capital expenditure. Cost of increasing the number of seats in a cinema theater, it is a capital expenditure. Cinema theater has increased the number of seats, so cinema theater will not do again and again. The cinema theater will not increase the number of seats in the theater again and again. It is non-recurring in nature. It is a capital expenditure. So cost of painting a new constructed building, newly constructed building, so painting of it is a capital expenditure, because new building is there. Cost of construction of additional building. Carriage incurred for the purchase of plant and machinery. Carriage means transportation charges. So I am reading the revenue expenditure examples: painting of an old machinery, repairs to plant and machinery, cost of petrol or diesel used for machinery. It is a recurring in nature, because machinery takes cost and petrol again and again. Cost of petrol or diesel again and again. Cost of maintenance for a building. Legal charges for the collection of a debt. Debt means loan. Cost of repairing the existing seats in a cinema theater. Cost of painting an old building. Cost of repairing the existing building. Repairs, renewals and maintenance of assets. So these are the revenue expenditure. So here are the examples I have given. So I hope you understand what is the revenue expenditure and what is the capital expenditure. So thank you very much for watching this video.